Let's fix the background apps draining your Android battery and slowing down your system performance immediately. Open your Settings app right now. You need to unlock a hidden menu first to get full control over your device. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the main menu page until you see the option that says About Phone. Tap on that. Then select Software Information. Look for the label that says Build Number. You need to tap directly on Build Number 7 times in a row. If you are struggling to find this specific section on your device model, just return to the main settings screen. Tap the search icon at the top, type Build Number, and select it from the results to start tapping. Once you complete the taps, you will see a small pop-up message confirming you are now a developer. Now let's back out of this section and go back to your main settings menu. Scroll down past About Phone, and you will see a brand new menu entry called Developer Options. Tap to open it. The first action we want to take is checking what is actually running right now. Look for the section labeled Running Services and click on it. Here you can view every single app currently eating up your memory. Choose an app you do not need, like a digital wallet or social media tracker. Tap on it, and then tap the button that says Stop. It will take a few seconds and the service will disappear. Now let's change a permanent rule for your device so you do not have to keep doing this manually. Press the back button to return to the main developer options list. Scroll down quite a bit until you reach the Apps section. Look closely for a setting named Background Process Limit and click on it. By default, this is set to Standard Limit, which lets your phone open as many background apps as it wants. Tap the option that says No Background Processes. Now that goes both ways. The important thing is that while your phone will run incredibly fast and save massive amounts of battery, you also lose the ability to receive instant notifications from apps like messengers until you manually open them. In my case, the extra speed and battery life are completely worth it. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.